Becoming a millionaire is hard for most people. Some people only have enough income to cover their day-to-day expenses. However, making millions is certainly not impossible. In this video, we'll share 5 practical ways how to make $1 million.
By the way, if you like this type of content, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button.
Start a business. The most direct route to becoming a millionaire is starting your own business. All you have to do is make something valuable enough that people are willing to pay for it. You can earn more money if more people can benefit from your products or services. Invest. Becoming a millionaire is possible by investing in the stock market, reinvesting dividends, and allowing your money to grow and compound. However, knowing the amount to invest and the types of funds to choose is crucial. Time is also essential when it comes to financial investments. The earlier you start investing, the more likely you become a millionaire. Be cautious of debt. Debt can be good or bad. Good debt includes taking out student loans to pursue a high-paying field of study or borrowing money for a home down payment. Some became millionaires by taking out loans from banks and investing them. Buying luxury items with credit cards is a bad form of debt. Paying off your bad debts can also be an investment, allowing you to save more money. Avoid spending on things you don't need. According to award-winning authors, Stanley and Danko, many people who live in expensive homes and drive luxury cars do not actually have much wealth, while many people who have a great deal of wealth do not even live in upscale neighborhoods. One common trait among wealthy people is that they live below their means. If you spend every dollar you make, or worse, spend more than you earn on things that don't generate profits, you will never be able to make millions. Have multiple income streams. Running a business or investing in stocks for passive income requires capital. However, some people earn income just enough to maintain their current standard of living. In such cases, having an additional job may be a good plan. If you can afford to waste 5 hours a day on television and social media, you have the time to increase your income through a side hustle. Earning money on the side doesn't always mean working for a company. Graphic design and copywriting are some of the many solo jobs available. Earn with your active income, then build your passive income. That way, becoming a millionaire is within reach. Wealthy people did not acquire their fortunes overnight. They invested a lot of time, energy, and perseverance to get to where they are now. If you want to make $1 million, you must be consistent with your actions and wise in your decisions.
We hope this animated video has helped improve your financial literacy. We do our best to provide actionable tips that are easy to digest and implement in real life. If you want to see more of these videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment what makes you feel inspired, motivated, and excited.
Thank you so much.
That's more than enough to help us grow and sustain our production expenses. See you in our next video.